Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most requested topics, how to clean white shoes at home easily. Whether it's your favorite pair of sneakers or your classic canvas kicks, keeping white shoes looking fresh can be a challenge. But fear not, because we've got you covered with some easy and effective methods to get your white shoes looking brand new again. Let's jump right into it. Gather your supplies. Before we get started, let's gather all the supplies you'll need for this cleaning session. Mild detergent or soap, soft bristled brush or toothbrush, white vinegar, baking soda, the warm water, microfiber cloth, and toothpaste. Having these items ready will make the cleaning process much smoother. Pre-treatment. If your white shoes have stubborn stains or dirt buildup, it's essential to pre-treat them before diving into the cleaning process. Here's what you can do. Remove the laces and soak them in warm, soapy water. Use a soft bristled brush or toothbrush to gently scrub away any loose dirt or debris from the shoe surface. For tough stains, apply a small amount of white vinegar directly onto the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it away with a damp cloth. Washing. Now it's time to give your white shoes a good wash. Follow these steps. Fill a basin or sink with warm water and add a small amount of mild detergent or soap. Submerge your shoes in the soapy water and use the soft bristled brush or toothbrush to gently scrub away dirt and stains. Pay extra attention to areas with stubborn stains, like the soles or around the toe cap. Once you've finished scrubbing, rinse the shoes thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap residue. Deodorizing and brightening. To tackle any lingering odors and to brighten up your white shoes, try these methods. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda inside the shoes and let them sit overnight. The baking soda will help absorb any unpleasant odors. For an extra brightening boost, create a paste using equal parts baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the shoe surface, focusing on any yellowed areas, and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Drying. Properly drying your white shoes is crucial to prevent any damage or discoloration. Here's what you should do. Stuff your shoes with crumpled paper towels or white tissue paper to help them maintain their shape as they dry. Avoid placing your shoes in direct sunlight or near a heat source, as this can cause them to yellow or warp. Allow your shoes to air dry naturally in a well-ventilated area. Depending on the weather conditions, this may take several hours to overnight. Optional steps. If your white shoes still have stubborn stains or yellowing after following the previous steps, here are a few additional methods you can try. Apply a small amount of non-gel toothpaste to the stained areas and gently scrub with a toothbrush before rinsing it off with warm water. Create a cleaning solution using equal parts water and hydrogen peroxide. Apply the solution to the stained areas and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cleaning your white shoes at home. With just a few simple supplies and some elbow grease, you can keep your white kicks looking fresh and pristine. Remember to regularly clean and maintain your shoes to extend their lifespan and keep them looking their best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning.